What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off subtitles on Fortnite. So if you're currently playing Fortnite, you can easily turn on subtitles or turn them off if you don't want to by simply clicking your profile upper right and going to the settings. Now you want to go to the audios tab and scroll down under the sound section, and you will also find subtitles there. You can go to the options by clicking on it, and here you can find subtitles. Mine is currently on, but you can also turn it off right here. And you also have the option now to change the text size if you want to do that as well. You can change the color. You want to have yellow and you also have white. So you can choose whichever you want. And you can add borders if you want. So here you can see text border. You can set it to shadow drop or you can set it to outline. It's really up to you. And of course, the background opacity, you can go ahead and you can make that really, really solid, or you can make it transparent by putting it to low or clear. And that's it, guys. So if you're looking for how to turn on or off your subtitles on Fortnite, or if you want to change it by customizing it, these are the steps to actually take. And once you do, just simply click on apply and just go back to your main menu so that you can play Fortnite with subtitles. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.